Quit dropping $50 on moisturizers. Today, I'm walking you through what to buy in order by skin type. In my last video, I broke down why that 10-step routine is straight up bullshit and what you should actually do instead. The point, Korean women really only do about 5 steps, and it's enough. Cleanser, toner, ampoule, moisturizer, SPF. You can grab all of it on Amazon right now. I'm Jin. 8 years as a marketing CEO in Korea. 0 sponsors, 0 paid promos. I'm gonna tell you exactly what to buy and why. Oh, every product link is in the description. If you have got question, drop me a comment. Before we start, give me just 30 seconds. I always say it, if you don't know your skin type, no recommendation is gonna work for you. Let's nail it down real quick and dirty, but it's actually pretty accurate. Oil check. Wash your face, wait 10 minutes. Tight feeling? Dry. Shiny all over? Oily. Only your T-zone shiny? Combination. Sensitive check. Does new skincare sting? Do you get red from fragrance or alcohol? If that happens a lot, you are sensitive. If not, your skin handles irritation pretty well. Combination those two and that's you. For the record, I'm combination and sensitive. Step 1. Cleanser. I'm telling you, 8 out of 10 people are messing this step up. Cleansers are situational. Foam, oil, milk, there's a lot. But honestly, you don't need all of them right now. Let me give you the most no-brainer combo. Daily. S-Nature Aqua Rice Mild Acidic Cleanser. Mildly acidic, so zero irritation, no tightness. This thing went viral as the ingredient genius. On Hwahae, Y Genius is 41.8% rice extract as a base. They cut all the harsh stuff, sulfatist, alcohol, fragrance, and it got an all-green EWG rating across the board. So, works on dry, oily, sensitive, and skin type. Dry and sensitive skin make Save Me Cleansing Milk even gentler. I use this one daily myself. Korean dermatologists hand it out as the first thing they recommend after laser treatments. It's literally a recovery cleanser. Milk-based formula, so irritation is basically zero. Oily and breakout prone skin? Aviv Heartleaf Mild Acidic Foam Cleanser. Instead of chemical BHA, it uses wintergreen leaf, basically nature's BHA. Calms breakouts, but skips the irritation. Best value pick, no contest. Wearing makeup or waterproof SPF? Add annual cleansing oil as your first wash. Oil dissolves oil. That's the whole science. Then follow with the foam or milk above. But if you use oil, you really gotta hit the second wash. Skip that and you will break out instead. Step 2. Toner. The toner's real job? Adding moisture back into your skin after washing, when it's slightly dry. And wait, putting it on a cotton pad and wiping your face? Don't do it. The friction does way more harm than good. Just pat it in with clean hands and let it soak. Oh, and if anyone tells you to layer it 7 to 10 times, ignore that too. I have literally never seen anyone in Korea do that. 1 or 2 rounds is plenty. If hydration is your main concern, EGN3 Hyaluronic Acid Toner. Hyaluronic acid is the main ingredient, and they use multi-weight hyaluronic acid. Different molecule sizes deliver moisturizer to different layers, from the surface all the way down to the dermis. It's been ranked number 1 in Hwahae's toner category for years. Non-sticky, fragrance-free, the most no-fuzz daily toner there is. Works for dry, works for oily. Next. If you are sensitive and soothing is the priority, 에뛰드 순정 pH 5.5 Relief Toner, Cica plus Panthenol, that's the calming combo. They cut fragrance, alcohol, parabens, all of it. In Korea, this is the go-to first aid for sensitive skin. When your skin is flaring up or reacting to something, this thing is the real deal for recovery. If you are oily and focused on sebum and pore care, EGN3 Green Tea Fresh Toner. Base is 80% Jeju green tea extract. The polyphenol in green tea handle both oil control and soothing at once. It doubles green across the board. Lightweight, doesn't get sticky. So it's the daily number 1 for oily and combination skin type in Korea. Step 3. Ampoule. Some people call it essence or serum, same step, just different concentrations. With ampoules, before you ask, which one should I buy? You've gotta figure out what's my actual skin concern. hydration, breakouts, dark spots. The answer changes completely depending on what you are dealing with. And those people stuck peeling 5 ampoules and slathering them all at once, don't do that. Pick 1 or 2 that actually match your concern. Let me give you the safest pick at once. Lacking hydration? 웰라주 Real Hyaluronic Blue Ampoule. Doesn't matter what skin type you are, hydration is non-negotiable. You know that, right? For pure hydration, this thing delivers. The brand has a pharmaceutical background, so the hyaluronic acid purity is insane. One bottle has 9 different types of hyaluronic acid. It tackles surface tightness, deep dehydration, and fine lines all at once. That's why it won both Hwahae and Olive Young awards. I use it every day too. Brightening and dark spots, Dr. Different CEQ Antioxidant Serum. There is 2 kinds of vitamin C, gentle derivatives and pure. This one's pure vitamin C, 15 concentration. Use this when you really want to attack dark spots and dullness. In Korea, this is the #1 repurchase as a vitamin C holy grail. But be careful, it's strong. Start with twice a week. Going daily right out the gate will wreck your skin. Keep it refrigerated. And let me drop 2 extra ingredients you should know about: niacinamide and retinol. Niacinamide, the ordinary or COSRX serum. If you got an oily skin like me, highly recommend. It controls oil, helps with pores, even brightens. Basically a do-everything ingredient. The most accessible option is the ordinary niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1%. You probably already know this one. It's that famous. The recognition and price, it's just the goat. But if you have tried the ordinary and it felt too sticky or peeled up on you, go with COSRX niacinamide 15% serum. Made in Korea, less irritation, way smoother to apply. Retinol. For beginners, Sunbaimi Retinol Intense Reactivating Serum. It's a low 0.1% concentration, but it's got bakuchiol and sika in it, making it the safest entry point for first-timers. If you are worried about buff breakout marks and fine lines, highly recommend. It's a Korean Olive Young bestseller. But hold on, when you start, always go low concentration. Start at 0.1% or below once or twice a week. Once your skin adjusts, increase frequency and concentration. Going straight to high concentration will wreck your skin, and recovery takes weeks. Also, a lot of people ask if there's an ampoule that shrinks acne or pores. I will be honest with you, there isn't one. I will do a deep dive on acne in another video. If you've got questions, drop them in the comments. Step 4. Moisturizer. Honestly, there's no reason to buy expensive ones. $80 or $120 moisturizers, those pricey ingredients packed inside, they get sealed in by the moisturizer itself before they can actually work. So you are not really getting their effects. Expensive ingredients belong in your toner or essence, not here. Think about it. You already laid down all the hydration and good ingredients with your toner and essence. Moisturizer is just the lid that locks it all in. Let me give you my main picks. Daily Estra Atoveria 365 cream. This thing is a straight up beast. They built this cream using the exact same technology Korean dermatologists were already using to treat barrier damaged patients in clinic. It's been the #1 prescribed cream in Korea dermatologists for 9 years straight, and it just landed in US Sephora. You see those little Dermaon capsule beads inside the cream? Those have the exact same lipid structure as your own skin. So the moment you apply it, it physically builds the broken barrier on contact. There's a reason people say, forget all those expensive creams. This one alone is your barrier solution. Oily or summer. S-Nature Aqua Squalane Water Cream. Non-sticky, applies feather light. Remember that squalane I mentioned? It's the closest match to your skin's own oil, so it doesn't sit on top. It absorbs right in. Oily skin people love saying, I don't use cream, my skin is already oily. That's literally aging your skin faster. This thing fills moisture, regulates oil, and keeps you in that fresh glass skin look all day. Dry or winter. Illium Ceramide Ato Concentrate Cream. This is Korea's go-to value cream. It's everywhere. pharmacies, supermarkets, Olivion. The ceramide capsule inside are highly concentrated, so it will get you through dry US West Coast weather or freezing New York winters with just one. The top is huge. Feel free to use it on your body too. So please, don't go buy a separate over $100 body lotion. This is the answer. Irritated and barrier broken skin. La Roche-Posay Cicaplast Balm B5. Yeah, Korean women buy this too. We don't only buy Korean brands, but we buy what works. Dermatologists recommend it as a recovery cream worldwide. When your skin's losing it, forget everything else. Slather this on thick before bed. The next morning, when you see the redness completely gone, you will get why US and Korean derms recommend it. This isn't skincare. This is a first aid kit for your face. Step 5. SPF. You know what people with great skin all have in common? They all wear sunscreen. Every single one, no exceptions. Skip sunscreen? You are basically signed up for dark spots, hyperpigmentation, enlarged pores, and fine lines. Sunscreen breaks down into two types, mineral and chemical. Today, I'm skipping the science lesson and just telling you who needs that. Main pick. Round Lab Birch Juice Moisturizing Sunscreen. This one is literally Korea's national sunscreen. There's a reason it's been on Olivion Award regular for years. Birch sap base applies like a hydration lotion. That sticky, suffocating feel sunscreens usually have 0%. No white cast at all. You can slap it on without even checking a mirror. On days I'm too lazy to think about which sunscreen to use, I grab this without a second thought. I have never recommended this and had someone come back hating it. Oily and dewy makeup. Dalba Waterproof Essence Sunscreen. You want that glass skin look, but you've got oily skin and you hate looking greasy? This is your answer. The moment you apply it, it sinks in like a hydrating essence. And it makes your complexion look insanely clear. Makeup artists pick this as the #1 makeup grip sunscreen. It doesn't give you that greasy, oily shine, but it gives you that fresh from an expensive spa dewy glow. And makeup layers right over it without breaking down. Sensitive, breakout prone skin. 하루하루 원더 블랙 라이스 퓨어 미네랄 선스크린. If you've got sensitive skin, you need to use mineral sunscreen. But old school mineral formulas were thick and white casting bullshit, right? This one straight up demolished that with technology. And here's the thing, this is actual 100% mineral. Most Korean mineral sunscreens are hybrids with a little chemical filter sneaked in. But this one is exactly what the pure mineral name says, zinc oxide base. They cut all the irritation filters like octinoxate, oxybenzone, and zero fragrance. Applies like a hydrating lotion, no eye stinging. Cheapest of the three, best value too. Alright, let me break it down by your case. What to actually buy? Honestly, buying all 5 at once is a lot, right? So just swap them out one at a time. Only the ones you really need. Switching everything at once isn't great for your skin anyway. Dry and sensitive. For you, calming and recovery is 80% for the game. Cut the irritation and crank up the moisture. You don't have to buy all of them at once. Start with 1 or 2, whatever's hurting you most. Dry plus resistant. Same deal. Moisture is the main game, but your skin handles irritation, though feel free to use the strong actives like vitamin C and retinol to attack dark spots and fine lines. Both the toner and ampoule are hydration powerhouse. Using them together gives you serious synergy. Oily and sensitive. That was me back in the day. Anything heavy and breakouts were popping up immediately. So let's keep everything lightweight first. Like I said earlier, niacinamide is straight up amazing for oily skin. The Ordinary versus COSRX is just personal preference. Oily and resistant. The freeze case over. Your skin handles every active out there, and your natural oil gives you that glass skin makeup look effortlessly. I call this skin type 하마가죽. It's so tough. Basically anything works on it. You can pick whatever you want, and your skin will be fine. The essence is totally up to you. Dark spot, vitamin C. Oil pores, niacinamide. Fine line, retinol. Just hydration, hyaluronic acid. Combination skin cleanser. Pick based on your weakest area. Compensate the T-zone with longer message time. Toner and ampoule. Apply the hydration product to your whole face first and add the oil or care product only on the T-zone with light tapping. Moisturizer. Just adjust the amount. A little on the T-zone, generous on the cheeks. SPF. Even coverage everywhere. Spot application is a hard no. Special case. Broken barrier skin. Your barrier is broken. Skip everything else and just do their 3 things for 1 week. Once you recover, add steps back. Pushing actives on a broken barrier just wrecks you more. Alright, that wraps up all the product picks. I'm not saying you have to buy everything I recommended in this video. But if what you are using right now is not working, switch it up. Don't keep using something just because you spent money on it. That wrecks your skin even more. Dermatologist visits cost way more than skincare. I used to be that person. Back when my favorite YouTubers or influencers recommended something, I'd buy it without a second thought. No question asked. And then I had a mountain of products I never touched it. Total waste of money. Let's not do that. Okay? All the product links from today are in the description. Price, which skin type, each one's for. I've got it all sorted there. Oh, heads up, some links in the description are affiliate. If you buy through them, I get a small commission. Of course, no extra cost to you. Just helps me keep making this stuff, please. Okay, what should the next video be about? Drop your question in the comments. Breaks out, dark spots, broken barrier, whatever. I will factor it in. Hope today's video helped even just a little. If you liked it, subscribe.
오늘도 끝까지 봐주셔서 감사하고요. 다음에 또 뵙겠습니다. 감사해요. 안녕.